What's up, everybody? So today is the day the canyon opened. It's June 22nd. Usually opens on the 1st, but it's June 22nd. It's finally open. I'm not gonna go crazy because the road is pretty dusty. There's actually an ND Miata that just went up there. That was random, but the road's really dusty, so I'm not gonna go crazy. And then there's already like a ton of people. That's already annoying, but the canyon's open. I've been waiting for this forever. Let's start ripping. Camera's right in front of my face, so you don't hear me breathing. Turbo always flutters so much more at high altitudes. Does anyone know why that happens? I look like an idiot with this GoPro on my face. It is sounding good. Had a car come around my favorite corner that I always like to drift. So I had to loosen my wastegate because I was over boosting like so much. My wastegate was so tight that it wouldn't open. So the power comes in way slower now. It's a lot more linear. Before it would like come in super hard at like 3,500 RPMs. Now it's like steadily goes up from like 3 to 5. It starts pulling. It's kind of annoying, but again, I'm not gonna go crazy because I look like an idiot with this GoPro on my face. That's not why I'm not gonna go crazy. It's the road's bad. And there's a million freaking people trying to drive through here right now, as you can see. I freaking hate it. It's getting so busy. If I can catch this other Miata. This car sure is fun to drive. Oh, we hear ya. I got new brakes on the cars, and now they're trying to get used to them. It's locked up right there. Again, this road's just dusty. Ooh, a little pop right there. It's got so much snow this year that they just delayed opening this for so long. Freaking sucked. My whole life revolves around this canyon, I swear. Gosh, why is there so many freaking people? It's getting annoying. They haven't even announced that it's open. I just was looking at the cameras. Some rocks in the road. Yeah, this is all just dust. You don't want to get going too fast in that. You'll just spin out. And there's not a lot of room for air on this road, as you can probably tell. Go off the road, you're just going off into the trees. Luckily there's a lot of trees, so you will get stopped. I got a really bad bushing too on my passenger side rear tire. The upper control arm bushing is shot. I need to fix it. There's that other Miata. I need to fix it because it moves like 1/4 of an inch when the tire's up in the air. Doesn't stop me from getting after it though. Miatas are the funnest cars. That was a fun little run with the ND Miata. But I'm gonna go down this way, so